Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Before I get into the video, if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Also, if you enjoy watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, or like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. So let's get into the video. Well guys, I am here to share a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree because I have some upcoming DIYs and I needed some supplies. And while I was in the store, I saw a couple items for the holidays, the Christmas holidays. So I figured I would share that with you guys. So let's begin. First item I got are these LED tea lights. Tea light candles. I actually got 5 of these. Okay, trust me, I have 5. Then I thought this was really cute. The little at sign, real nice. I got it in white. Got 3 nail polishes. I got the flannel gray, the blankie, as well as granite. Okay, so I got 3 of those. I got some nail polish remover. Now you guys know my love for these fake nails or fashion nails. So I got 4 this time, actually 5. So I got this one. I got this one, these, this, and my final one, which is this. So I'm looking forward to using these. And I got 2 bottles of Mod Podge. Like I said, I'm working on a couple DIYs. So I got 2 bottles of those, as well as this green paint. I got some Super Bond glue. As I mentioned to you guys, for the fall holidays, should I decide to decorate downstairs, that my accent color would be pink. So when I saw these, I just thought I should pick them up. I thought they were really cute. So I got 2 of these. I got some of these floral gardens. I'm going to use them as fillers in a DIY. So I got 2 of these. I got 1 pack of the clip-on maple leaves. It's in a gold. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. Then I got some more felt leaves. This one has 20. I will be doing a DIY in these. Then I got 2 of these. I like sleeping with these at night. This one says do not disturb, and then the other one says sweet dreams. I got some washcloths that I use as napkins for upstairs. This one says, let me open it up. It says love, laugh, and gather together. Okay, so I got just 1 pack of this, as well as the matching towel. Okay, really cute. Then this I've never seen at the Dollar Tree, nor have I seen anyone hauling these yet, but I thought this was so cute. I'm sorry, it says a hot fresh cup of coffee is the best way to start the day. So I'm going to use this upstairs in my coffee bar. And then I got this one for downstairs that says love, laugh, and gather together. Okay? I got some paintbrush. Like I said, I'm doing a DIY. As well as these foam brushes. I got a pack of this. I did a Dollar Tree haul. And in that Dollar Tree haul, I only got 2 of these the first time. So my Dollar Tree now has these back. So I got 2 more. So now I have a set of 4. Got 1 more, so now I now have 4. I got 2 of these. I don't know where the other one is, but it's the metal sign that says thankful, harvest, and welcome. So I got 2 packs of these. Some chargers. I got 4 of these. These are in the silver. This is new to my Dollar Tree. At least new to me. I hadn't seen it before, so I got 4 of these. As well as this is new to our Dollar Tree. It's for the holiday. It's a tree ornament, but I will be using it for the fall. As well as this one. I thought this one was really, really cute with the little burlap twine all around. Real cute. So like I said, it is an ornament for the holidays, but I will be using it for fall. I saw these, and I got 4 of these. Like I said, these are new for the Christmas holidays, and I will be doing a DIY on this. Okay? I'm sorry, I have one more item, and it is this bushel of flowers, and it is poinsettias. Alright? Well guys, this is the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. As always guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As I mentioned, I have some DIYs coming up, so if you'd like to see those, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you decide to subscribe, make sure you turn on that bell. That bell allows you to be notified every time I upload a new video. I upload new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Well guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. For all my new subscribers, again, welcome. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. This channel would not be here if it was not for you. So everybody, be blessed. Have an awesome, awesome day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.